Yeah, so Nim Chinu in film McCown and Dunya Shoh. So Eka Chooish Nori at the Chooish Nori Remy Lecht unskilled McCown Dunya and Mr. John Redmond. As the John Redmond, they rugged ons Harkjeg Quaged Shay, as Hure Bears ons Nijeg Harkjeg. As Key Blaine of the Henya, as in the smooth, 100 years and more of the Henya, they feared Guak, famous on Snierin, and Dunya Smooed Guak, the most important, and Dunya Smooed Guak, most famous on Snierin Slickly. But Naleg and Shaw Jew, Hanel Pykaby Cunyachten, remember Rudder B. McCown Bay, life as Obby John Redmond, they Jerudit, forgotten. As Honig me in quote push President Kennedy on the Shedden, they bit beg quack because they grab not only in the men it produces, but in the men it honors. Shen bit beg sexist still yemps, litigate grab Pyakaby, Dunyan. Yeah. So they bit beg sexist, but can do to be unsnaren and Lair Torn Jew and Island Ekatre Torn, Hanel Monaslai Cunnington John Redmond. But Key Blaine of the Henya, they feared Guak. As Shen Unspul Nijeg, no, Derhausen as Shajeg, 2016, Key Blaine Lugan Easter Uprising on Snierum. Vaginu such the Tashbanish exhibition we get Nyerin McCown and Easter Uprising. As to Shen poster J John Redmond, as Ren Sly Screwer in Eru Triad Queg Tausen. As Triad Queg Tausen, Shen in Eru Delay the number of people, Vosnierin Ren Gevin Bears on the Kied Kaga. Bad Kaga on an army as Hurad Bears on Flanders, on Velg, on Rankers, yeah. As Renard Screwshen, they wrote that Erifair the Rowad Smunyichten, the Row John Redmond in Dunya, Ren Kurad does an army. They thought he was the guy who sent them to the army. As Shanae, as Nimage Fedmac Cranference Minute. But Mita Lord McCann John Redmond, signed to Tiggle Ram or Bitbeg McCann Dunyarella. So to show Ligton Gray, Nijeg Jai, Ligton Gullarash just Nijeg Jai, 1910. But John Redmond, and Dunya Fear Erd Guak, Fear Nyatel, powerful. As Eshin and Erd Dunya, the top guy on an Irish parliamentary party. Okay, as Vad Giri getting Sursness to Shen freedoms on Nyeren, or begging Sursness. Okay, Ak the Dunyarella, Carson and Dunya Shaw, they rugged on Stivlin, but they come on Nyeren too. They sledden noise shedden. As they shadow Mac standing up for and sly Protestant on Snierin Tui, as Harawad Giri Brisher Asul break away Vush Sorston, but Giri Tannington Mar and Riach Dunainasit to Shen the United Kingdom. So Harawe Giri Sursness on Snierin Edda. Okay, so it's Nijeg Jai, Shortness Soyagan to Shen seats on Snierin as Nijin Jarud, Ekatre Torn, the Nyerin, Arnjay and the Lieutenant. It was part of the United Kingdom, etc. But for an Irish parliamentary party, getting shattered tree Soyagan, 73 seats, as Tadulia on Skainer and Shaw. As the Kustalai, the Irish units getting Shachteg. Tad Ulians Jur Gorham, purple, Unsa Tui, Unsnierin Tui. So, add for Giri Brisherus to take away the Irish Parliamentary Party, but actually Tannington stay, getting a bit of feedback. I don't know, maybe people mute their mics for a bit with them and I'll crack on. So, yeah, fag and mythical. Okay. Shen Ullerin in Irish Parliamentary Party in Snoijeg Hart. the Ramjawan, but Marva McGrath, but Fian Yartle, very powerful. But Kust of Linton the Lug, a few years after, Harrow, okay? But ons Noijeg Hart, Noijeg Jai, but fear, Yartle powerful. As vad Giri, Sursness, Freedom Son Yeren, Brisher Asulvo Sorsten. As they chicken the Raushen Gull the Haggard. It looked as if that was going to happen. Okay. Shoh Uli, Nyeren Tui, ons Noijeg Nenjeg, Ulyer and Stu ons Gainje, Shen Sol Shikamak or Jiken Dun, showing to us red for Ulyer and Sly Catholic, Catholic Kummel, as uns Jurg Sly Protestant. So but Kummel ons Nyeren Tui son and Kuchman. Nish Rud Fearscanch oil, Carson on Shoh, Harawad Giri Brisher Asulvo Sorsten. Vad Giri Tanachton ma an part an Jane Recht and Enesit. As van home rule bill, vad ons some co-whale to Shannon Parliament on sourcen ons Noijeg Kierjeg 1914. As an home rule bill, well, the Shen som cur Sursness freedom does Began Sursness does in Cledden Elian to the whole island, Nyeren Ulya. But Harrow Carson, as in Sly Protestant, son in Chooish and Northern Ireland, Harrow at Giri Shen, vad Giri Tannington, Marish Sorston. As so Tad Gren no home rule, vad Giri Sorston, Nyeren, Breton, Nalban, Tannington Recalia, Smiley Mull, Ulyer and cliches on Shoh, Pat, John Bull, Sandys, Taffy, Ulyer, Shoh the Recalia. Noi Sursness against freedom. As vad Credgel and Nyeren Tui, the Rao ad Birchak, Rich, the Rao Ruthen Guldamai Nyeren Tui. Crenfert had Giri, Brisher Asul, Vouch Sorston as an Alban. Vad Giri Hannington, Lesh Sorston as an Alban. Noi Sursness son Nyeren Ulya against freedom for the whole of Ireland. As vad Smunichton the Rao, the Rao Chow Mui outside of Chow Mui Janier and Tui, Vanier and Bacht, Pua, they Faurik under the control Faurik and Aglish Catholic, the Catholic Church, they Faurik and Aglish Catholic. So vad Giri, Tannington, Breton, Sorston as an Alban, as Sledden Noi, totally against Sledden Noi Sursness. Vad Credgel, Mito Fagan on Shoh, vad Burrit worried the Bech, the Hulierud, Faurik in Aglish Catholic. They worried that everything would be under the jurisdiction of the Catholic Church. So vad Giri Tannington, Harawad Giri Sursness Edda, as for Shadu Noi Sursness, the bollock. As Shoh Eke Vun Tigre Carson Eke Tras Lijay Home Rule Bill Nijeg Kierjeg. So in Home Rule Bill, Gultruge in Co-Whale and Parliament on Sourcen, Sonker Ram Sursness, Hanel Sursness de Bollock, not complete freedom than Yeren, but Sursness Currit than Yeren. But the Carson, as in Sly and Yeren Tui, Ulster Sledden Noishog in do to be. As Began as na Began, ved Troggle such the Ulster Volunteer Force, as Getting Gunnan as Stugor Sheden, son Shavu Noi Sursness son Yeren. Shen Yeren Eke Tratorn as Eke Jera, the Ulster as Newmage Feather Mactulia, Ulster, Hanel Ulya J Ulster, the Donegal Cavan as Monaghan, Tad on the Republic and Laertor and Jew, but na Shea Conti Ella for Mana Tyrone Derry Antrim down in Omar, Tad ons Nyeren Tui Ekatra Torn that bell. Ekatra Sheden, an Urch of Aishak Prime Minister, an Urch of Aishak on source, and Vishen Herbert Asquith, as they Shen in Liberal Party, as they Govrak Marish John Redmond in the Irish Parliamentary Party. But they feathen and Conservative Party in the Ulster Union is Theodoli. The Bona Law in Furtogi leader, Furtogi and Conservative Party Shedden. But the Asquith Shadu standing Shadu Marish Redmond ons prowl Gevin Began Sursnis son Yerim. So when Shedden for such the coalition, co-rail to son, Edward Irish Parliamentary Party as John Redmond, as the Liberal Party. Ac, just Gullarash, Ekin Tras Lie, third reading Jane Home Rule Bill, Bijikan the Beck, Sursnis Curritus Nyerin. Harawad Shiga McCown Nyerin Tui, they went Serd McCown Nyerin Tui, Kirid the Yunu, what to do, Lesh Nyerin Tui, Edifether Ow Ramslines Nyerin Tui, Sledden Noi, Sursnis, really against freedom. So Harawad Shiga, Kirid the Yunu, Lesh Nyerin Tui. Ac, Trevad Rizuna, debating, just Marva Jinusheden, Renin Kied Kaga Goil Toshet, the First World War began. As Rensheden Kur Stapper the Hully Rud. Okay. Nish, and Rud Ren John Redmond the Lugsheden, Vey Giri, he wanted Vey Giri Sly uns Njeren, Gulsjack go into, Gulsjack uns an army, as Gull as Kager uns Flanders as the rank uns of El. As Shoh John Redmond at Ball and at Woodenbridge, and Fidule main foul at Neujeg Kjerjeg. As they Greinige, encouraging Greinige Sly, son Gulsjack on an army on Sorsten as Gull as Kaga. So they giri Slivers Nyer and Kaga, Merislivo Sorsten as Breton as Nalban, Noi and Gemen. Okay. As Shoh Poster join an Irish regiment today, so the Redmond Giri Sly Gull as Kaga. Slickly on Irish regiment, but Gullers Kaga Noi, you know, Gemen, Ekatreshen. As they credule the Berche Indesat, that it would be wonderful, Sly Catholic as Protestants, Bosnier and Jas as a Tui, Kaga Recalia, Merish Sly, Bosnian Army, Sorsten as Nalban, Noi Gemen. So they smunnicht in the Berchen rud fierce ganchoil. So they greinike sly gullers Kaga uns Flanders uns the Gemein as yet. As Vishen enemies at the Irish Volunteers. Nish harau the Julia fight manual sheden. Sly gullers Patrick Pierce. So the traditionella, another tradition ekatra sheden. The John Redmond credule, they giri sursness son yeren, but gin Kaga without fighting. Giri gin irimach without an uprising, irimach uprising. But for Patrick Pierce, chitvish traditionelia unsnjeren, as they giri irimach a revolution unsnjeren, son sursness son njeren ulja in 2 years and jazz. Harawi giri njeren skultit divided. So Harawi giri njeren tui skultit bush njeren jazz. Lithigad tanicht and recalia, just un-alien. But Sonakuch Moo, for the most part, Harawi Roos, Munich and McCown and Protestant traditions near and Tui, Patrick Pitts. As ons Neujeg Shejeg, ons Easter Monday, Jiduni Keist, just Kustalegano the Henya, the Irimak ons Nieren, the Patrick Pierce, as James Connolly, Eamon Kent, Ulya Lijay leading Irimak ons Jaren, Shoh and Kager and Stivlin. Okay. Now, Harau John Redmond Manuel Sheden, Harawi Tiggle, Harawi Giri, as Son Shigaris, Harawi Tiggle. As they smunicht in the Rau Gemein Rege in Irish uprising. Shen Bochten, Haneli, Harawi Kiat. But just Harene Tiggle Cren Fair, the Sly Giri and Irimacht. Era further out Kagagulad, there's a war going on. So Cren Fair, the Sly Giri and Irimacht. Harawe Tiggle Sly or as James Connolly as Patrick Pierce. Okay. I saw Began Votion in proclamation when Patrick Pierce Lie Mac Roshan and post office on Stivlin. as they lot McCown gallant allies in Europe and Gemein as do as Harrow Ruthen Goris Sheden, fear by Harrow in Protestant tradition on Snier and Tui Tiggle Shoh. Okay. As the Greer on Shoh, oblivious of the differences carefully fostered by an alien government, which have divided a minority from the majority in the past. Face Munnichton, the Row Sorston, such to, Skolten Yeren. England was dividing Ireland. Edda and Der Redishun, the two traditions, Catholic as Protestant. But at Gerrit and Lair, Harrow Pedrick Pierce as James Connolly, Harrow had Tiggle and Sly on Satui, son and Cooch Shmoo, Harrow had Tiggle a Tradition, Protestant uns Snier and Tui. As Harrow had Giri Tiggle Elian. Shen Kustalai, Luganiri Mach, Varam Sly Marowitz, uns an Iri Mach uns Nierim. As Shoh Kustalai, Votion Iri Mach from the revolution, Gul Vad Curitons Presoon, as Slickly the Velu Tiggle, the Row na Fear Toji leaders Marowitz executed. As a Kunta J. Sheden, Ren the Chulirud Caclair uns Nierim. So Gularash uns Noijeg Jai, where the Chuliafaic, Credgel and She, Credgel and an Irish Parliamentary Party, Giri Sursnis, such to Began as Navegan, bit by bit. But Luke Nijeg, Hawkjeg, Ren the Chulirud Caclair uns Nierim. As Ren an Irish Parliamentary Party, Gul Shees, the Ruthen Caclair, Bosh Redmond, Dus Sly Gorish Pedrick Pierce as Eamon de Valera, as Hemage Eamon de Valera and Sminid. As they trinjak for son John Redmond, cause Ankara Egus Thomas Kettle, Hure Bear second song. So Ren Thomas Kettle, Shay politician, as Rene Gulds Jack on an army, Rene Guldus Arankas of Elg, as Hure Bear second song. As they no one Yamai, he was a good guy, Gindu to be Thomas Kettle. Bard, a poet, Credgel on Sursness on Yeren, but just Began as Navegan. So the Shen Karamai, John Redmond, who are best Ekin Som. As Nesmeth and a Shedden, son John Redmond, worse than that. Renan Brerega, Willie Redmond, Gevin Bess, unsa Velg, unsa Shach du Le, Main Sari, and Noijeg Shachjeg. So the Willie Redmond Gevin Bess, as the Shen Rud Trimzak son John Redmond, Cara Fiavai, Thomas Kettle Gevin Beth, yes. As the Ekatra Shedden, the Willie Redmond, the MPs on County Clare, Ennis on County Clare. But Huri Bess, as the Rias election on Nolug Shedden, as Renan Dunya Shaw, Korsna, this guy won, as to Shen Eamon de Valera. So Henk Eamon de Valera, the Vayan MP, son County Clare as Ennis. On Sinajay, in replacement of Willie Redmond, John Redmond. Okay. As Rod Samoil, hi me, Marish and Bunskol, as Kustal Ayala, does Ennis Nuri last year at Turris. As Tammy Cunnington, uns Thai Goldie Hotel Fear Vua as Grand, Honik me Ram Jallo and J. Eamon de Valera, Erafed Rawe in MP or TD some County Clare. Ach havak me, I didn't see havak me Rudderby McCown Willie Redmond. Ear the Rawe, even though he was MP on Ennis as County Clareish Tamil. So Renrod and Caclair, as the De Valera an MP nish. Dead but not forgotten. Ons Noijeg Hawkjeg, who are John Redmond best. Slickly the Row and Krieg a Brisht, his heart was broken. In Brereg a Maru, Cara Fiavai, Kettle Maru, Van Kag a Gulair, in Irimach, the uprising, as Vejik the Row and Irish Parliamentary Party, Jintnish. But for Ramsly, Fos Kunta Ramjay, there's still a lot of people thinking a lot of him. Okay, ach, ons Arias, ons Noijeg Hartjeg, the election Noijeg Hartjeg, nish fodmij fagen, ren Sinn Féin, Shannon Party for Eamon de Valera born. Shannon Party Henk Machas came out of in Irimach, yeah. So Ren and Sinn Féin causna ram. Vad giri sursness the bollocks on Yeren. As the IPP, Shannon Irish Parliamentary Party, Shannon Party John Redmond, we just mush kiena queg jaworn. So ons harkt blina, in 8 years, vad gulvo mush shafted 3, so you could 73 seats to mush kiena queg. As Shene, for Shen Bunnis bears the death of the Irish Parliamentary Party, as Ekatre Shoh, the Willie Redmond Maru Nies. As Ullier and Stu ons Dur Gorham to Shen and Irish Unionists. So Vajikan Nish throughout Nier and Skoltic the Bollock, totally divided. Edda Sinn Féin, as Edda an Irish Unionists. Let's just coost the Lyella, an Irish Parliamentary Party and Labour Unionists. But first, coost the Lyud Guac on son an Irish Parliamentary Party, done you enemies at John Devlin, MP on Belfast to Belfast. They first Erd Guac, Luke Bess, Redmond, as and done you to Jikan Fia Cool and Shaw, Taipei or TP O'Connor. Shen Rudden and Querchliams, they an Irish Parliamentary Party, but they MPs on Lairfool. As a Liemps, so they on Lairfool, the Ramslide votals on an Irish Parliamentary Party. Era fair the Roward Uli Chipfish Nierans on a Goochmoo. As they an MPs on an Irish Parliamentary Party, on Lairfool, Deramush until about Noijeg Fi Noi, about 1929. So they quirk through an Irish Parliamentary Party, Faustinu Demines Lairful, Trenak Rao at Goldemines near and Tui. So Nishvan Party brished as son sly to tickle in oops oh dear me just escape. Okay. Colarash, just a minute. For slice on tickle and sursness on Snierin, well, a jinmuch gold trude ullier and sursness long in the lugshen. But honig me Shoh, it's money me the Shoh fear by begging atch money me. The life of a politician, especially of an Irish politician, is one long series of postponements and compromises and disappointment and disillusion. As Gunduta B, for Shannon Rudds on John Redmond, ons Noijeg Jai, they Erd Guac, they Jiken the Berche cause Nasurseness on Yeren, but just Kust of Linton the Lugsheden, they Maru and Brer Egamaru, Cara Egamaru, the Irish Parliamentary Party Jint, as and Lairton Jew, signed and Gray, then Tin Enemega Jerudit, his name is forgotten on Skeel Nyeren, on Shenegus Nyeren, in the history and the story of Ireland, Tibunis Jerudit the Bollachnish. As Mardu me Trevor me ons County Clare, ons Ennis the Ramstu McCown de Valera, but Harrow Rudderby McCown John Redmond. Ad Willie Redmond, as money me the Row Shedden fear Samoil side and Fear Samoil